Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Uncharted. I'm your host Alfred Parker. Today we'll be counting down the 10 best statues in the world. From ancient wonders to modern marvels, these statues showcase incredible artistic achievements across cultures and history. Let's get started.
Let's travel this wonderful world with Travel Uncharted. Join us in uncovering the allure of hidden waterfalls, the grandeur of untouched mountains, and the enchantment of ancient forests. Subscribe to my channel. Let's journey begin.
Number 10, The Little Mermaid, Copenhagen, Denmark. We have the Little Mermaid statue in Copenhagen, Denmark. This bronze statue was created by Edvard Eriksson in 1913 and sits picturesquely on a rock overlooking the Copenhagen harbor. The mermaid statue has become an iconic symbol of the city. The Little Mermaid measures only 1.25 meters tall, but her graceful figure and wistful expression captures the imagination of all who gaze upon her. Number 9, Statue of Unity, India. Our next statue soars to new heights at number 9. The colossal Statue of Unity in Gujarat, India is the tallest statue in the world at a jaw-dropping 182 meters tall. This modern engineering marvel was built to honor Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, an instrumental leader in India's independence and unification movement. The giant likeness recreates Patel in native garb, standing tall and proud above the Nirmala River. Completed in 2018, the mammoth bronze statue and surrounding memorial complex attracts thousands of visitors each day. Number 8, Colossus of Rhodes, Greece. Next up at number 8 we have the ancient Colossus of Rhodes. This giant 110-foot-tall statue of the Greek sun god Helios once stood watch over the harbor on the Greek island of Rhodes. One of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, the massive statue sadly was destroyed by an earthquake in 226 BC. Number 7, Christ the Redeemer, Brazil. Next up at number 7 is one of the new 7 wonders of the world, Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Constructed between 1922 and 1931, this iconic 98-foot-tall Art Deco statue has become a globally recognized symbol of Christianity in South America. The figure of Jesus stands powerfully atop the peak of Corcovado Mountain, arms outstretched across the sprawling metropolis and Guanabara Bay. Made of reinforced concrete and soapstone, the monumental sculpture seems to bless the city and its residents below. Number 6, the David, Italy. Our number 6 statue is the David by Renaissance legend Michelangelo. This 17-foot marble masterpiece is astonishing in its attention to detail and lifelike rendering of the human form. The statue has been captivating visitors to Florence's Galleria dell'Accademia since 1873. Number 5, Spring Temple Buddha, China. Our next statue dominates its surroundings at a record-setting 420 feet tall. The Spring Temple Buddha in Lushan County, China is the tallest statue on our list and in the world. Completed in 2008, this version of Buddha Vairocana sits serenely on a lotus throne, hand-raised in blessing. Comprised of over 1,300 bronze castings, the statue houses a monastery within its chest and crowds can take an elevator up a level to overlook the countryside. The mega monument cost over $55 million to construct and has become a popular tourist attraction. Number 4, Statue of Liberty, USA. Number 4 brings us to the United States and the Statue of Liberty. Lady Liberty's iconic 305-foot green figure has welcomed immigrants arriving in New York Harbor since its dedication in 1886. A universal symbol of freedom, the Statue of Liberty was a gift from France to the US. Number 3, Mount Nemrut, Turkey. The bronze medal spot goes to the ancient heads of Mount Nemrut in Turkey. Built around 50 BC, these iconic stone heads are part of a temple complex created for King Antiochus I of Commagene. His 50-foot-tall head sits proudly surrounded by other ancient deities along the mountaintop. Though weathered over time, the colossal heads still retain intricate details like curled hair strands and intricate clothing. The ancient site was unknown until its excavation in 1881, and now draws crowds who make the pilgrimage to the remote location to witness the ruins at sunrise and sunset. Number 2, Christ the King, Poland. The silver medal goes to the powerful statue of Christ the King in Poland. Completed in 2010, this 330-foot-tall Jesus stands vigilantly above the Polish landscape with arms outstretched. The monumental scale and striking design leaves a dramatic impression. Number 1, Great Sphinx of Giza, Egypt. And taking our top spot for most amazing statue is the mysterious and magnificent Great Sphinx of Giza. This ancient statue was carved out of limestone bedrock around 2500 BC and measures a colossal 240 feet long. Depicting a mythical creature with the head of a human and the body of a lion, the Sphinx is believed to represent Pharaoh Khafre guarding his pyramid tomb. Despite centuries of exposure to the elements, the Sphinx's proportions and lifelike details remain incredible to behold. The ancient monument has inspired awe throughout history and remains shrouded in intrigue. And that concludes our tour around the world looking at the most spectacular statues ever created. From ancient stone giants to modern-day marvels, these monuments showcase the incredible legacy of human creativity and ingenuity. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. This is Alfred Parker signing off for now.